Mga ate at mga kuya, welcome back to Kuya Puto's channel. So marami po nagtatanong kay Kuya Puto, bakit napakatagal ninyo dun sa casino? 26 years. That's over a quarter of a century. So naisip ko po, dito sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung mga natutunan ko working for the same employer for 26 long years. Alam nyo, marami akong naging pagkakamali, but at the same time, marami din akong naging decision na nagawang maganda. So guys, 26 years is a long time to stay with any company. Alam ko po ngayon, that doesn't exist anymore. It's almost near impossible to find one job that you can stay at for that long. And you know what? Hindi ko po nire-recommend yun. Because, alam niyo po, dito sa environment, dito sa mundo na pinagtitirahan natin ngayon, in order to fast-track your career, natutunan ko po, you need to move from one company to another company to another company to another company. Yung pong growth ninyo, mababansot if you stay with one company for such a long time. The proper way, like I said, is to move from one to another to another to another. That's how you're able to fast-track your career and fast-track your pay and fast-track everything, your retirement included. So ano nga ba natutunan ko? Ano nga ba yung mga pagkakamali na pwede kong i-share sa inyo? Lalo na sa mga kabataan natin ngayon. Para yung journey nila medyo lumuwag ng konti. Well, number one guys, if I had to go back, if I had the ability to go back, 26 years in the past, gagawin ko po, if I'm able to land a job, if I'm able to land a career, magpupundar po ako agad ng mga assets habang bata ako. Katulad ng mga bahay, katulad ng mga portfolios, mga ganong klase. Things that will pay you in dividends later on pagtanda ninyo. Bakit Kuya Puto? Dahil guys, kung bata kayo, say in your early 20s, and you're fortunate enough to be one of those people na diretso ang utak, nakahanap kayo ng comfortable na trabaho that you could build a career on with, a semi-solid salary. Bata kayo, you have time in your hands. Time is on your side. Magtrabaho kayo na magtrabaho, magpuntar kayo, kumuha kayo ng bahay. Yes, napaka-importante po niyang bahay na yan dahil sabi po ng lola ko nung bata ako, kahit saan lupalop kayo ng mundo pumunta, your biggest expense, or at least one of your biggest expense, will be bahay, housing cost. And the earlier you can get that out of the way, the better it is for you and your future family. So, if willing, kung kaya po, kumuha kayo ng bahay agad. You know why? Dahil as time goes on, alam ko sa umpisa medyo mahirap yan, but ngingitian kayo niyan at the end of the day. Dahil mapapakinabangan nyo na, tapos babayaran pa kayo niyan. And later on, kunyari, nagkapamilya kayo. I truly believe that we are products of our environment. So, kung meron kayong mga naging anak, tapos uuwi sila sa bahay, meron silang bahay na uuwian where there's love and tenderness and all of that good stuff. Yung po matatanim sa utak nila. Yung po maiisip nila na normal. So later on, when they grow up, they're gonna aspire or thrive to get the same things. And ano bang magulang na hindi gusto makita yung mga anak nila na maging successful? Diba? That's why I truly believe na habang bata kayo, magpundar kayo agad. Whether it's bahay, portfolios, investments, or what have you on the side. Because matutulungan po kayo ng napakalaki niyan later on pag matanda na kayo when time is not on your side. So guys, kung yung employer ninyo, habang bata kayo, meron silang some kind of pension program where kakaltasin nila yung sweldo ninyo once a month. And then they'll match it and then they'll put it in some kind of retirement fund. Sign up. I mean, sign up right away. Dahil, alam nyo guys, nung bata ako, hindi ko naman naintindihan yun eh. But thank God I signed up for it. Dahil isipin nyo, mula pa nung 19 ako, once a month, they'll take 5% from one of my checks, either the 15th or the 30th, I can't remember which one, ma-match ng company yun, and then they invest it for me into the retirement fund, and then it compounds every single year. So just imagine from the day I signed up at 19 years old till the day that I retired at 45 years old, napakahabang time po nun ng compound. That's why when I decided to retire at 45 years old, I received a pension statement from the pension board, and I was surprised with the number that I got. And that was because I signed up from way back in the beginning. So I highly suggest that you guys do that too. And at the same time, okay, sabayin nyo na rin ng some type of investment or some type of savings. Nakakaltas ng konti lang na hindi nyo mararamdaman. Okay? Like katulad nung pension ko. 5% of one of my paychecks every month. Kung budget forgiving, kung budget willing, gawin nyo rin po yun para sa mga savings or para sa mga investments like stocks, bonds, or what have you. Do that dahil I guarantee you, one day pag tumanda na kayo, yung mga kinalpas na pera na hindi nyo naman naramdaman, na nakalimutan na ninyo, ngingiti po kayo ng napakalaki pag nakita nyo yung total once you are ready to retire. Another thing that I want to share with you guys is umuwi kayo. Umuwi kayo sa bahay ninyo. Huwag kayong lagi sa trabaho. Huwag kayo overtime. Okay? Umuwi kayo sa pamilya ninyo. Dahil yung pong mga tao sa bahay ninyo, mas importante po sila kaysa sa mga tao sa trabaho ninyo. Dahil napansin ko po, ang dami ko pong mga katrabaho. Okay? 26 years, 25 years, 24 years of service. When they decided to quit, retire, or some of them got fired, they got replaced right away. Wala pong loyalty. And you know what? You shouldn't expect loyalty anyways. Dahil, tandaan nyo guys, lahat tayo replaceable. Okay? Yung kumpanya na pinagtatrabahuhan po natin, they're there to make profit. They don't owe you anything dahil they pay you every 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks, even tayo. Diba? So, never feel entitled, never feel like dahil napakatagal nyo na doon, you know, you're better, or, you know, you have seniority over other people, blah, blah, blah. Don't feel entitled. Okay? Dahil all of us is replaceable. Kaya, umuwi kayo sa bahay ninyo. Alright? Dahil yung pong kumpanya, pag nawala kayo, hindi po hihinto. You know, it's always gonna be business as usual. You know, yung pong attitude ng mga Pinoy, hindi lang mga Pinoy, but lahat ng tao, once they spend a little bit too much time at work, iniisip po nila yung negosyo hindi tatakbo pag wala sila. Maling attitude po yun. You're replaceable. I'm replaceable. Everybody is replaceable. The moment you leave, they'll replace you with somebody else. I hate to say it, pero lahat po tayo numero. Unless you own the company. But for most of us, na nagtatrabaho lang, we are just a number. So, maximize the time that you have sa pamilya ninyo. Umuwi po kayo. Instead of maximizing the time that you spend at work. Dahil, naiintindihan ko po yun. Like, you know, karamihan tayo, you know, we need to work. You know, nangangailangan po tayo. Kahit ako dati, I've been guilty of that. You know, I've spent so much time at work, I forgot about family. But, I'm speaking from experience. Umuwi kayo ng bahay ninyo. And spend time with the people at home. Hindi po kayo magsisisi pag yun ang ginawa ninyo. Pag nasa trabaho kayo, palagi nyo ng full-time na kayo, di ba? They're gonna give you employment benefits, which means sick calls, vacations, benefits, and all of this and all of that. Huwag kayong mahiyang gamitin. Gamitin nyo po lahat. Exhaust all of the benefits and vacation time that is entitled to you. Huwag nyo pong iisipin, oh, you know what? Hindi ko gagamitin yung bakasyon ko. O you know what, hindi ko gagamitin yung benefits ko dahil sayang eh. Dahil baka isipin ng company na masayang ako. No. They are there for a reason. Use all of your vacation. Use all of your sick calls. Use up all of your benefits. Okay? Because kung iisipin nyo, oh, baka nangihinayang ako dahil baka yung kampanya, isipin magasta ako. No! Use up all of the benefits. Use up everything that is included in your employment package. That's what they are there for. Okay? Huwag niyong isipin, I have to save money for the company. Okay? They budget for this every single year. Okay? Like, they wouldn't give you the benefits that you have if they don't think that you're not going to use it. So make sure you use it. Okay, guys? So ano pa ba masishare ni Kuya Puto? Tandaan nyo, habang bata kayo, sa trabaho ninyo, more than likely, especially with the cost of living dito sa Canada ngayon, yung paycheck ninyo, hindi magkakasya sa living situation ninyo. So, kailangan, lagi kayong merong side hustle. Napaka-importante po ng side hustle. You know, it doesn't matter what it is. Make sure that you have more than one stream of income. Dahil, you got to. You got to. Do not depend on your job 100% dahil pag nawala po yun, then wala. Wala lahat. So, it doesn't matter kung ano yung ginagawa nyo na racket sa side. Nurture it. Build it. If anything, try to spend more time on your side racket. Invest in yourself. Because at the end of the day, your employer won't. Ito po yun. So make sure if you're gonna spend 8 hours dedicating yourself dun sa trabaho ninyo, spend at least the same amount of time investing in you. Because nobody else will invest in you but you. And hopefully whatever side racket or whatever side business that you do, one day will grow to a point where you'll end up making more on that side racket than your actual job. Okay, you have all your life to figure this out, and hopefully some of us can and some of us will, diba? Because depending on your job, 100%, yes, a lot of people are guilty. Yes, I've been guilty of that. But in retrospect, when I think back, maling diskarte po yun. Make sure that you have all the bases covered. And in order to do this, kailangan po we have more than one stream of income. Habang bata tayo. Sa trabaho po, marami tayong magiging kaibigan. Sa trabaho po, marami tayong magiging kakilala. And me working for the same employer for 26 years, one thing that I've learned, kailangan lumayo po tayo sa mga negative na tao. Yung mga chismis, yung mga ganun-ganun, layuan po natin yan. All the negativity, layuan po natin yan. Kung gusto nyong humaba sa trabaho ninyo, if you want to be successful in your career, you have to stay away from the negativity. Not only you, but keep your family separate from the negativity at work. Pag umuwi po kayo, galing sa trabaho, huwag niyong dalhin yung trabaho sa bahay ninyo and vice versa. Okay? Dahil napaka-importante nun because that's the only way that you can keep the family side and the work side going as long as possible. Sa trabaho po, you're gonna encounter a lot of negativity. You're gonna encounter a lot of people from different walks of life that has different views about life compared to yours. And wag po tayo makipaghalubilo sa mga tao na puro masasama ang ugali, puro masasama ang ginagawa. Hindi po maiiwasan yun. Just stay in your corner, do your 8 hours, go home. Rinse and repeat. If you can do that, if you can find the discipline in yourself to do that, hahaba po yung tenure nyo sa trabaho, and I'm pretty sure, I almost can guarantee you that your career will blossom. And finally, guys, I left the best one for last. Kunyari, you're at the end of your career. Pagod na kayo. Ayaw nyo na magtrabaho. Meron na kayo napundar ng konti to the point where, it could almost guarantee you a pretty comfortable living until makita nyo si San Pedro. Diba? Don't be afraid to retire early. Kung kaya ng mga napundar ninyo, kung kaya ng abilidad ninyo, if the situation allows it, wag po kayong matakot magretiro. ng bata. Dahil, alam nyo, marami po akong naging mga kaibigan over the years in the industry that I was in. Nagkasakit sila, namatay sila. They were hoping to reach that magic age of 65 years old for retirement, and di po nila nakita yun. I observed all of this happen. And the one lesson that I learned, habang kaya po ninyo dahil bata pa kayo, or at least yung katawan ninyo kaya pa, if the numbers agree, do it. Do it. Para at least ma-enjoy nyo yung buhay ninyo bago kayo maging matanda, maging kulubot, maging not physically able to do or enjoy the things that you still can. So, if the numbers agree, and hopefully during your career, marami na po kayong napundar, or at least you've put together enough to make the numbers work. Retire early if you can, while you still can enjoy life.